Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Quick Fix Life. So today we will see the concept of minimalism for wardrobe organization. How you can organize your clothes, your wardrobe on a very simple way and follow this minimalism trick. So let's get started. So while organizing your wardrobe, we will first follow the principle of decluttering. Let's declutter the clothes and then organize them as per your way. So to declutter, we will use a rule of toss it and keep it. So now the clothes that we are going to toss. First of all, the clothes which we haven't worn past a year. Second, which are not comfortable. Third, which do not have a sentimental value. You have similar kinds. And the socks which are single now, which are not available in pairs. We're going to toss out all these clothes and keep the rest. Now let's have a before look of the closet and start organizing. First of all, keep a basket aside for tossing the clothes. Start with each shelf at a time. Go as per the tossing rule. Sort the clothes, fold them properly and keep aside. Now start folding your clothes and arrange in bundles and keep it aside. Take out all the clothes of each shelf and keep all the bundles ready. Now select adequate organizers. Remember, even the organizers used should be in limited numbers. Try not to purge more money on organizers. Now let's see the organizers that I have used. I've used two baskets, one for leggings and one for t-shirts. Two more organizers for lingerie, one for me and one for my husband. Then one more organizers with small shelves into it for storing small stuffs like socks, handkerchiefs, belts, etc. The functional wear saris are kept color coded in these zip bags. One zip bag is used for extra new clothes. I've used the same extra zip bag for storing my husband's functional wear. One blouse zip bag to store all the blouses. One zip bag for the sari petticoats and the extra blouse. Now in the first shelf of the closet, I have kept it for my husband's clothes. A separate pile of shirts, pants and t-shirts. T-shirts I have kept it in folded file system in a basket. Now the next shelf I have given it to myself. I've kept a separate pile of my kurtis and the next are the short tops, and I have bifurcated them by using a basket in which I have organized my leggings. Now the next shelf is dedicated to my home wearing clothes, where I have kept a separate pile of my bottoms and shirts and dresses. I have kept my lingerie organizer also here. Now in the same way, next shelf is dedicated to my husband's home wearing clothes, his lingerie, my shawls and an organizer where I have stored in my handkerchiefs, the belts, all the accessories that is required for the dresses. I keep a space empty in the wardrobe for the extra stocks. So I have kept here our bath towels and the rest space is kept empty to stock in the unironed clothes. Now let's have an overall look of this part of closet. Isn't it looks neat, clean and well organized? So now some tips to follow when you're organizing your wardrobe. The first one is keep your clothes prepared for 1 week. Every weekend try to keep a week's clothes ironed and hanged in a separate area so that you do not declutter whatever you have organized. Second, do not wait for the right occasion or the right moment to wear your dresses. You like it, you wear it. The second tip that I follow is keeping the last shelf of the wardrobe always empty. First of all, it gives an extra space to keep your unironed clothes. And second, if you have purchased new clothes, you can stock in there so that, or some extra lingerie or socks or handkerchief, if you have stocked up, you can keep it there so that you do not overboard your clothes. You can keep a count on them. Just do not start shopping because the sale is live. It should not be like it's 70% off on Myntra or 60% off on Flipkart, and that is why you keep shopping. Please guys, do not do this. The first week when I wear my clothes, air dry them, I keep it in a separate place after folding them so that it is ready to use when I'm wearing it for the second time. So always have a separate space in your wardrobe so that you can keep the used clothes for the second use. The other tip I follow is keeping the thing at the same place from where we have picked it up so that we do not go to search it as to where we have placed when it was used. And second, time saving, because when you're running for office you need things. Try to train all these habits to all your family members like your husband, your children, so that all follow this tip and you get less burden of work at your weekends. You also need your me time during the weekends, so lesser the work, better for you. Organize and plan your week in a very simple and your convenient way so that it's easy and less time consuming to reorganize. So guys, if you've loved the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and do leave in comments if you have any, and happy organizing.